Biosphere reserves. The biosphere reserves, which are larger than national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, which means in a biosphere reserve there may be more than one national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Man and Biosphere Program is the program initiated by UNESCO in 1971. Its aim is to prevent the developmental activities leading to the destruction of nature, wildlife, and habitat. It proposes to the government of the country to include the areas which meet the criteria under this scheme in the Biosphere Reserve list. There are 701 biosphere reserves in 124 countries around the world. In India, there are 18 biosphere reserves and 11 out of them including in the list of biosphere reserves by UNESCO. Along with the protection of flora and fauna, it also protects human communities that inhabiting there. Let us see the biosphere reserves of India one by one. Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve, which is established in 1986 September 1. It is the first biosphere reserve in India, which included in the list of Man and Biosphere Program by UNESCO in 2000. Its area is 5,520 square kilometers. It is the first biosphere reserve in which the areas of Kerala including, which spreads in 3 states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Silent Valley National Park, Nagarhole National Park, Bandipur National Park and Mudumalai National Parks are including in the Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. The protected animals in Nilagiri Biosphere Reserves are lion-tailed macaque, spotted deer and wild boar. The next one is Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve of Uttarakhand, which established in 1988 January 18, which included in the list of Manan Biosphere Program by UNESCO in 2004. Its area 5,860.69 square kilometers. Nanda Devi National Park and Valley of Flowers National Park are included in the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Nanda Devi National Park in 1988 and Valley of Flowers National Park in 2005 included in the list of World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Nokrek Biosphere Reserve of Meghalaya, which established in 1988 September 1. In 2009, which included in the Manan Biosphere Reserve Program of UNESCO. Its area is 820 square kilometers. Garo Hills are including in the Nokrek Biosphere Reserve. The Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, which is established in 1989 January 6. In 2013, it included in the list of Man and Biosphere Program by UNESCO. Its area 885 square kilometers, which is located in the south part of Nicobar Island. The southernmost point of India, Indira Point, is included in the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. The protected animals are crab-eating monkey, lake crocodile, sea turtle. The next one is Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve of Tamil Nadu, which established in 1989 February 18th. In 2001, which included in the list of Man and Biosphere Program. Its area is 10,500 square kilometers. This is the second largest biosphere reserve in India. This This is the protected area which include corals and mangroves, which is located along the shoreline of Tamil Nadu. The animals protected here are sea turtle and Belanoglossus. The pilgrimage center Rameshwaram is located in this area. Next one is Manas Biosphere Reserve of Assam, which established in 1989 March 14th. Its area is 2,837 square kilometer. Let us see the next one, Sundarbans Biosphere Reserve of West Bengal, which established in 1989 March 29. In 2001, which included in the Man and Biosphere Program by UNESCO. This is the world's largest delta and the world's largest mangrove forest. This biosphere reserve located at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra river, which share border with Bangladesh. Sundarbans National Park, Sundarban Tiger Reserve, Sajne Khali Tiger Reserve, Sajne Khali Wildlife Sanctuary, Lothial Wildlife Sanctuary, Halliday Wildlife Sanctuary are including in the Sundarbans Biosphere Reserve. In 1987, Sundarbans National Park included in the list of World Heritage by UNESCO. This is the only mangrove forest in the world where tigers are inhabiting. The main protected animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Simlipal Biosphere Reserve of Odisha, which established in 1994 June 21st, which included in the Manan Biosphere Program of UNESCO in 2009. Its area is 4,374 square kilometer. The protected plant is cotton and major animals are Royal Bengal tiger and elephants. Dibru-Sakhova Biosphere Reserve of Assam, which established in 1997 July 28th. Its area is 765 square kilometer. This is the smallest biosphere reserve in India. The main protected animal is Holag gibbon. Next one is Dihang Dibang Biosphere Reserve of Arunachal Pradesh, which established in 1998 September 2nd. Its area is 5,111.5 square kilometer. Next one is Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve of Madhya Pradesh, which is established in 1999 March 3rd. In 2019, which included in the list of Manan Biosphere Program by UNESCO. Its area is 4,926 square kilometer. This is the biosphere which include Satpura Hills. Satpura National Park included in Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve. The largest peak of Satpura Hill, Dhupgant, located in Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve. The Pachmarhi known as the Queen of Satpura. The next one is Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve of Sikkim, which established in 2000 February 7, which included in the list of Manan Biosphere Program by UNESCO in 2018. Its area is 2,619.92 square kilometer. This is the last biosphere reserve which included in the list of Man and Biosphere Program. The second largest peak of India, the Kanchenjunga, including in this biosphere reserve. The Kanchenjunga share borders with Nepal and Tibet. The next one is Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve, which established in 2001 November 12th. which included in the list of Man and Biosphere Program by UNESCO in 2016. Its area is 1,828 square kilometer, which spreads in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Shenduruni Wildlife Sanctuary, Pepara Wildlife Sanctuary, Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary are included in Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. The first biological park in India is Agastyavanam, which also including in Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. The next is Achanamakkar Amarkantak, and which spreads in the districts of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, which established in 2005 March 30, which included in the list of Manan Biosphere Program by UNESCO in 2012. Its area is 3,835.51 square kilometer. Rann of Kutch Biosphere Reserve of Gujarat, which established in 2018 January 29. Its area is 12,454 square kilometer. This is the largest biosphere reserve in India. Gyan Bharathi Biosphere Reserve is the another name of Rann of Kutch Biosphere Reserve. Next, Cold Desert of Himachal Pradesh, which established in 2009 August 28. Its area is 7,770 square kilometer. Pinwali National Park including in Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Next is Sheshachalam Hills Biosphere Reserve of Andhra Pradesh, which established in 2010 September 2nd. Its area is 4,755.997 square kilometer. The last one is Panna Biosphere Reserve of Madhya Pradesh. This is the very last formed biosphere reserve in India, which established in 2011 August 25th. Its area is 2,998.98 square kilometer. Panna Tiger Reserve including in Panna Biosphere Reserve. The protected animals are tiger and antelope. These are the biosphere reserves of India, and I thought that this video gives you most of the informations about biosphere reserves. If it, please support my channel, and then only I can give you more informative videos. Thank you.